You guys know what's going on?
Fucking hit somebody, man. Garbage.
Really? You saw the whole thing?
I couldn't see mostly because I'm right there on Concordia.
Yeah.
But I could see them get out of the fucking car.
Wow, how did this happen?
I think they fucking driving by.
She was pleading. She was lying right here and she was pleading.
What's going on right here? I didn't get to see the you were here? No, I was coming out of my house right here. I was right there on the corner, man. And I just come out and I heard all the honking.
Mother.
And I could see all these fucking agents around.
Yeah.
Fucking terrible.
So there was a young mom driving this? With a female?
Explain that, bro, because I don't want to be on that shit.
Okay.
Here, I'll stop recording. I won't even put you in the video.
Look what they did to that shit.
Okay.
Look what they did to that shit. Awful.
Yeah, I just saw the tail end of this. I came around the block. There was a woman lying on the ground surrounded by about half a dozen agents pleading.